Twin, what's up? It's me, Elise. Welcome back to our channel. I pray that you guys are all doing well. I am back with a new video. So I have a new wig that I picked up on Amazon Prime, and this one does come from Unice. I will leave all the information, details, links, all of that stuff in the info section below, so be sure to go ahead and check that out. So this is a brand new unit that they offer at Unice, and I was super excited to get my hands on it. I have never had anything like this before, y'all. This is their new 7x5" fluffy curtain bang lace wig. Again, it does have that 7x5" lace. It has the bye-bye knots, bleached knots. It has a bang, and it even comes with a curler. So therefore, all you got to really do is just snatch that little curler off and you are right out the door. But I wouldn't be me if I didn't go ahead and fix up the unit per my liking. Now, just because this wig has been in the box, I'm just gonna go ahead and refreshen up those curls. I'm not doing anything out of the ordinary, just using my curling wand to refreshen up the curls. Now, my wig is 24 inches long, 180% density, and again, this is what it looks like. Now, they do have a 10% off coupon that you can apply to your wig purchases on Amazon when you do add the wig to your cart. So in case you guys want to save a little extra cash, be sure to take advantage of that coupon. I'm just going to go ahead and finish refreshing up this wig, and I'll see you guys once I'm finished. So I let the wig sit for a few hours and the curls kind of dropped just a bit. I kind of like the fact that it's not super perfect, it's not super defined. It's giving more of like a beachy curtain bang, effortless, imperfect look, and I actually prefer the way that that looks. Take a look at the bangs. They're super fluffy. Now I am applying a little bit of my airbrush legs to the lace to tone down that color just a bit. So we're gonna go ahead and get the wig on. I'm starting off using my stocking cap, then I'm gonna go ahead and get the wig on. You guys are seeing how easily this wig is coming together. So therefore, if you're a beginner or if you're new to wigs, yes, you out there, this unit is so simple, so easy, not complex at all. I literally put the wig on. I didn't need to use any glues, any adhesives. I didn't need to perfect the hairline or lay the baby hairs. This wig literally came together. You guys see how fluffy it is. I love the fact that the bang isn't heavy or super dense. It's very sparse and imperfect, which gives it a very natural look, and I just absolutely love it. Now this hair is layered, so if you decide on, let's say you want to straighten this unit, you will have some nice layers to this unit. Now I do prefer this unit in its curly state because it's giving like that fluffy, flowy curtain like bang on the side, which is so very gorgeous. This is definitely a winter look. Okay, you guys see the volume on this unit, super flowy, super soft. Don't mind my cat. But you guys, I didn't get any shedding. The hair, once again, super soft, no tangles. Y'all, look at that body and that movement and the luster. What? Oh my goodness. However, I will be giving you guys a quick little style. I just decided to take out the side layers, and then I'm going to go ahead and just pin this hair up using my little hair clip, just to kind of give you guys more of an updo look. And this is like perfect for like school. If you're a teacher, this is kind of giving teacher hair, but definitely I'd be wearing something like this to church. You know, you can wear it to work, or, you know, just running errands. It's super forgiving, tons of versatility. So Another thing that I really like about this unit is that natural looking part. This isn't a full wig. You do get that 7 by 5 inch parting space. So if you wanted to wear this unit in a different look, you have so many different options and you have tons of parting space. If you want to part the bangs, if you want to get rid of the bangs, if you want to do a side part with bangs, you have so many different options here. So again, you guys do check out Unice. I will have all the details and links located in the info section below. Y'all, I am definitely loving this wig. Unice has a whole bunch of new styles. Y'all gotta go ahead and check them out, okay? If you guys want to get the latest trends, they are offering those to you guys. So you guys, again, let me know what you guys think, and I'll talk to you guys on the next video. Bye, guys.